what you need to do. I don't got much, you know, like I don't really got anything, bro. I just got what I need, what God provides for me. It's myself, this is my temple. I'm a temple of hip hop. And I'm just gonna keep creating hip hop everywhere I go. So, you know, this is who I am, bro. I am what I am. You know, be yourself, bro. Once you know who you are, nothing can stop you, bro. God is always with us, always, every day, every night. Stay in prayer. Don't stop praying, man. Always pray every day for the blessings that you do have, and remember that. You know, don't let go. Don't let go of your faith that God is with you and you are where you are for a reason. Woodland, YOLO. You only live once in YOLO. You know what I'm saying? Nah, for real though. My boy Steven said this was the hidden city. And I believe it, man. There's a lot of fucking warriors out here in Woodland, bro, just waiting to fucking rise. Where you at? Get on your motherfucking game. Get on your motherfucking game and get this shit, man. You ain't gonna fucking do it for yourself. Get up and rise, man. Let's take this shit. Hit me.